Hi, welcome to week 2 of NET126. Hopefully week 1 went okay. Hopefully you got a chance to take the exam for week 1 and everything went well. This week, we're, like as promised, a chapter a week. We're into chapter 2. Chapter 2 is static routing. There'll be 3 labs setting up 2 different types of static routes, and how to troubleshoot static routes are going to be your 3 labs today. You got the reflection journal and the chapter 2 exam. Now remember, the chapter 2 exam is taken in NetCAD, and you get 3 attempts at it. I take your highest score and I'll post it. I'll move it back to Moodle so you can see your grade is in entirety. So good luck, and if you have any questions, remember the open lab is Thursday afternoons from 2:30 to 4:30, or if you need to meet during my office hours, check the syllabus and stop on by. Hope you have a good week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.